Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the SmashFest update stuck on waiting or not showing in the App Store? Since SmashFest possesses frequent updates, version 495 dropped June 23, 2026. Staying current matters. Here's how to force it through. Open the App Store and tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Pull down on the screen to force a fresh refresh of available updates. Then look for SmashFest in the list and tap Update if it appears. If the update is stuck on waiting, tap and hold on the SmashFest icon on your home screen. Tap Pause Download, then tap it again and tap Resume Download to restart your download. If it keeps failing, go to your Settings app, then go to General, then go to iPhone Storage and confirm that you have at least 1 gigabyte free space. Updates fail silently when storage is too low. Free up space by offloading unused apps and retry. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data in the settings also before retrying if the download keeps failing. So, all you've got to do is go to the App Store, pull to refresh, pause and resume if stuck, free up storage, try mobile data, smash space updates, and that's it. Subscribe.